Well, to another breaking story now. A deadly virus that's infected hundreds of people in China and killed 6 has now been confirmed stateside. The CDC confirmed the case of coronavirus in Washington state this afternoon. Health experts say the virus is now being transmitted person to person. Romney Smith explains why officials are trying frantically to prevent it from spreading.
With nearly 300 diagnosed cases in Wuhan, China, health officials are trying to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
If this can be transmitted to human, it could become a very large outbreak in a short time.
With the majority of the cases stemming from one city in China, officials in Wuhan are now taking precautions while researchers are learning more by the day.
So far, this outbreak was traced back to a seafood market. So there appears to have been the potential perhaps for people around each other, but also around the seafood.
And with the Chinese New Year coming up, millions of people are expected to travel, which could lead to the spread of the coronavirus. That's why airports in China are screening for it. This is the third outbreak of coronavirus. The first two, SARS and MERS, were also alarming.
Those two outbreaks had relatively high mortality for the number of cases that occurred.
Today, the CDC confirmed one case of the coronavirus in Washington state, a man in his 30s who recently traveled to Wuhan, China. Now that it's here, the medical community is watching closely.
Until this is better laid out in terms of risk to other people, how easily and rapidly it can spread, we need to be careful.
Right now, 3 airports in the U.S. are screening for it: JFK in New York, LAX in Los Angeles, and San Francisco. 2 more coronavirus checkpoints are expected to be added soon in Atlanta and O'Hare in Chicago. On Wednesday, China's National Health Commission will have a news briefing to update the world on the coronavirus outbreak numbers. Reporting in downtown Cleveland, Romney Smith, 3 News.